Hey guys, today I'm detailing my car because I'm taking this bad boy to California.
Hey, yeah, so me and my homie are trailing our bikes down to Cali, Orange County from Utah. We're going to Fort Born Free. We'll have a vid about that as well coming up here in the next couple weeks. For now, enjoy my quick detailing process of my LC. Thanks, bye.
Luckily for me, there isn't a lot of garbage. Just mainly just some papers and receipts, and that's about it. That's Well, I haven't even made it through like the whole back yet, and this thing already overheated. So it's not working, which is fine. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna do all the windows real quick with a wash, and I'm gonna start wiping down what I can, get going on it. Went through and sprayed them all, so we're just gonna. Hot out here today. I just went through and I sprayed all the windows, but it's drying. Absolutely gross what comes out of there. I have to pull out the big guns. The nice old Craftsman shop vac to the rescue since the other one decided to die on me. So the carpet underneath the mat is actually pretty clean, so I'm going to leave it alone. I'm just going to shampoo that carpet. And if the mats in the passenger side are the same, the mats everywhere are the same, then I'm just going to do the same thing there. Leave them alone and not shampoo it. using for the rest. Interior details, this is going to go on all the doors and all the plastic paneling. And rich leather 3-in-1 conditioner protector or whatever. That's just for the leather seats. All the leather seats are in kind of bad shape anyway, so I don't really care that much, but you know, might as well try and make them last as long as I can. So that's that. It's like a carpeted inside.
As you can see, I picked up a lot of dirt in my carpet cleaner, so that was awesome. It means it was working. Turned out really awesome. Smelled great for the trip. Made it all the way Cali and back. No problems. Thank God. Bless up. Anyway, thanks. Like and subscribe.